Okay friends, I'm going to show you a real easy way to make chicken tenders and potato wedges. And these are going to be a little bit healthier because they're going to be baked. So first off, I got a couple potatoes here, and I'm just going to take my little cutter and I'm going to cut these into nice little wedges, about yay size. I'm going to put them right over there on my paper plate. Okay. I like the wedges like this. I like this little gadget. I got this at a estate sale. It's kind of nifty. It's kind of big. So there, those are set aside. Okay. Now, I did those first. So now I'm going to do my chicken. And my hands are all clean, of course. And I've got 3 pieces of breast meat here, boneless and skinless. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my big knife, and we're just going to cut these into wedges. Okay. Yeah, those will be good, but I don't want that fat on there, so cut the fat off. All right. Okay, so I got them all cut up. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm out of Ziploc bags, and I like shaking mine in bags, so that's why I save my bread bags. They work wonderful too. Anyway, this is my homemade shake and bake mix. And I'm just going to pour a nice bunch of that in there because I've got the chicken and the potatoes I'm going to shake up in here. Okay? So put your wedges in there. Your meat wedges, your strips. I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm going to do a few at a time. Okay? And we're just going to give them a shake. Give them a real good shake. Okay, now before I take it out, I have got a sheet pan here, and I put a small rack on the one side. That's for my chicken, and that's so that the air can get around underneath it, and it's going to get crispy all around. The other side I left just plain for my potatoes. So we're going to put those on that rack. And you can put them close together. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put the rest in here. Give these a little shake. This shake and bake is wonderful. I'll put a link to the video for making your homemade, because I've got a video showing you how I make it homemade. Okay, so now I got that all on there. I'm also going to take my potatoes and I'm just going to put them all in here. And I'm going to give them a good toss. Okay, and I'm going to put this tray up here because I'm going to show you. I got the chicken on that side. I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil on this side. And I'm going to drizzle just a tiny bit on my chicken. That's it. Okay. Now my potatoes are going to go on there. Look at how nice they're breaded. They're beautiful. There we go. And there. This, you don't have to put any more seasoning or anything on this because all your seasoning is in your shake and bake mix. So this is going to go in my oven at 400 degrees, and this is going to cook for about 40 minutes. And when it's done, I'll bring you back and show you just how wonderful it turns out. Okay, friends, I just pulled these out of the oven just now, and they are beautiful. So we are going to plate them up. I'm just going to put them. They're beautiful. I'm just going to put them all on here and put them right on the table for my husband and I. And they'll be wonderful. Look at that, how nice that turned out. And there we have it. Isn't that beautiful? What an easy, quick meal. And again, it's budget friendly. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.